I ordered this gadget, which is pretty useful, for around $10 US from Aliexpress. And what is it? It's a Aicevoos digital sound meter, Decibelimetro, from 30 to 130 decibels, measure decibels, sound level noise. And it's looking pretty good. It's a cheap product, but I need to test it. I ordered it and I got it. No bubbles. Sorry. Here it is. Digital sound level meter. Sonometro numericue. Alright. The model is AS-K3 by Aicevoos. It's digital with digital LCD screen. And this is the microphone on top. Let's open it. We have a user manual. Oh, looking good. Nothing in the box. What it says in the specification. On top we have ECM microphone and wind shielding ball, LCD display panel, power on-off key, minimum and maximum value, LCD backlight button. Okay. Temperature unit. Oh, it measures also the temperature, and battery door on behind. It's cheap plastic. I can feel that. How many batteries? 3 AAA batteries. 3 AAA batteries. This thing works on 4.5 volts. Let's put some batteries. Turning on in 3, 2, 1. E58. While I'm speaking, it's detecting 780 decibels. And the temperature is shown also 23.7 degrees. We have a white backlight. Let's check that. Oh, nice. It's nice. And while I'm speaking, it's picking up the sound. I'm gonna make some loud noise. What? 90 decibels. Okay. Check that. 92. What's wrong with me? No, nothing is wrong with you. Okay, it's picking up. Mode, maximum 71. Minimum 72, hold. Unit. The unit is for changing the Fahrenheit and the Celsius. Alright. By holding, you're gonna power off, hold, pressing, turning on. Working fine. You remember this mini speaker that I made a video review 1 week ago, or maybe 2. We're gonna test the loudness of this mini speaker with my new product, digital decibel meter. Let's see the maximum with this 64, 34, hold. It says that the maximum decibels is around what it says. While the maximum is selected, it's taking the maximum unit. Okay. Okay, when it's close to the microphone, the maximum reach 100 decibels. But when is around, I don't know, 20 to 30 centimeters from the measure unit, it's around how much? 80? 84, 86, 87. Here it is, another mini, just bigger speaker, and let's play some music and measure. I'm gonna go to maximum volume. I don't know, can you tell me in the comments how far I should be from the source, from the sound source, to measure with my device? Let me know in the comments below. And probably you want to see the microphone. Here it is. Okay. Now I am about 1 meter away from the speaker, and I'm gonna play some music to measure. And this is the speaker from the phone. Please tell me in the comments what you think about this digital decibelimeter, a cheap product that I will use in my tests for some audio devices. I don't know, is it working great? Right now I'm not speaking, any speaking. There is 30 decibels. Okay. That was all for today's video. Please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya!